Hi there traders. So if you take the buy yesterday here or this one, so your take profit was this opportunity zone here. So super nice take profit, but let's see, I want to see what's happened. This rejection high here. Ooh, yeah, that was action right now in this current time. Here, nice take profit. But overall, if you look in the structure, that's, we can use the same high, and that's our lows here. The major ones, the major lows are still holding. The then we have this minor break there. Read this, going back here, grab some energy on those lows. But the main one is still holding with this W pattern here. Still holding. Here we see the W pattern, and here we see the W pattern. Ah, that's pretty interesting actually. You see every single low what we have W pattern. This low, W pattern, this low, W pattern, and this low here, W pattern. So this can be might even W pattern here, but that's all time high, and everything can happen there. Oil still doing nothing basically. W pattern here, going above it and just bouncing around here. Bitcoin, zero. All these movements, just zero. Overall, same thing. The first structure what was breaking, we can use the same highs. We have the rejection lows here. Lows are still holding, and now this is the new structure, and lows are still this one, but that's definitely a new rejection high here. So what was happening here? Above it, above it, close under, rejection, 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 rejection. Above it, close under, rejection, rejection, and just go down, down, down. In trade opportunities, we have this zone, momentum zone. Here we have something. Those 3 weeks, what is going here? That's the opportunity zone to break above it, break the rejection high, but price was breaking the lows. After this rejection, price was breaking the lows, and we have another retest, and price was breaking the lows, and now there's going downsides. Those details are super important, and right now the Bitcoin is doing exactly the price pattern like this. Price is still squeezing together, and now it's bouncing outside with the failing W pattern here. You see the W pattern, but we break the lows of those two legs here. The same pattern what we talk about a lot. And here we see those two retests. This is crazy here, but you see we break this M pattern, we retest this M pattern, and now the price is going downside. Very good pattern. You have this one here, retest, it's the principal pattern, but it's a very slow movement. Market is just breathing right now. Most like something huge is coming. So if you look at the major structure, that's the major one here, opportunity, and if you look at the minor one, that's the minor opportunity here. This is minor opportunity. So, and if you're looking lows, let's change this one. Oh, nice. So here was some kind of opportunity if you trade those. Let's major one too. Oh, this was, let's put exactly Okay, here was a retest, you know, price didn't break the lows. After that we break the highs, retest, going higher, this nice retest here, breaking, going above it, retest, going above it, and overall take profits. Let's say if you take this trade here, the minor structure one, take a bit risky trade here, stop loss somewhere here. So basic, if you see this kind of candlesticks and now you're thinking, okay, where are you gonna put your candlestick? Most likely look the previous highs or some kind of, you know, wick highs what is here. So right now I was putting exactly where this wick high was, because the price can touch this one, you know, the price can, you know, go a little bit back and retest these highs here and then bouncing things, do something like that. But of course we can easily touch those zones too, and if you want to play super safe, you're gonna put under here. So GJ, ooh, nice rejection, especially on those highs here. See, the first high, second high, equal highs, price going higher, rejection, close under, impulse candlestick, close under, but not under the full extension movement, because the full extension is this one here, but this one is down here, you know. When this candlestick body close under here, will be totally different story. That means the price is still opportunity to go higher. What we have here, yeah, okay, that's the place where I was making the backtesting. We can see something here too. Oh, like look at this candlestick, man, super strong. Definitely, you know, a lot of information here, like too much even information. Gap here, break the highs, no opportunities. Here we have something, and then we have to retest. You know, this breaking high was breaking those highs. No Fibonacci movement too. And now the price is try to break those highs. We have the price is trying, and definitely there is some kind of information holding together prices, bouncing between those things. Oh, and yeah, I was starting looking the silver, like you know, the silver behavior patterns and how it's move, and you know, those personal movements, you know, silver personality. And yeah, it looks actually pretty good. Very, how to say, it's not much psychology movement, but you can develop in good psychology, but looks more, it's kind of like very fundamental stuff, fundamental. And you have to be super, how to say, if you want to trade silver, you have to be a little bit level higher of your mindset and your patience and your awareness. You have to be a little bit level higher, because you know, I see those kind of, you know, interesting, like this one here, we have the breaking structure, like huge structure, you know, we break those lows, we break this stubborn pattern, and now we break back above, but we get huge rejection things, and then we have to retest this back, and then we go, you know, that's the, you know, interesting movement here. Then we have this one, so we break the lows. Right now looks like even the price is holding lows, going back, retest, and you know, it is a level higher a little bit. It's definitely the forex market is much more smoother to look at. But yeah, I'm gonna figure out something here, and then let's make the backtesting video of silver. But looks solid, to be honest. Like when it's moved, it's gonna go interesting here. Go back here, rejection. You know, all those patterns are totally different. Don't recognize right now. I have to developmenting some, you know, the principles and the connection with me and the, you know, the personal behavior of silver. All those spikes here, you know, manipulation spikes here. Break it out, break it down, going down, bounce. Oh, that's exactly the same what we was looking before, the same pattern. Break it, retest it. Nice sell. Holding lows, 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 lows. Holding this W here. Break down. That's interesting. You know, kind of. Still holding break above. And then it's going. Yeah. Basically we have almost no movement today, nowhere. How interesting, gold is back here. Yeah. Lows are holding, I'm still bullish, you know, all the structure, still bullish, want to go up, 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 up and break all those highs here. Let's put this one here and let's see this opportunity here. That was interesting retest here. So that was opportunity, break retest, and now we retest with a W pattern. And right now the price is holding W pattern. Because if you look at the W pattern, the main area, what is this momentum here? That was the place where it's just, you know, this retest and this retest. You know, this W pattern here. This one is still holding. And now breaking structure, retest, going back up, retest and retest. This W still holding. Rejection. Yeah. Maybe we have to bring the Dow Jones back in. Dow Jones moves actually good too, but you have to understand, you know, the major and minor patterns difference, and looking, you know, those two different principles, you know, the major principles and the minor principles. And we have to understand opportunities too, to take the opportunity. What was this zone here? All those three, you know, those three here. Let's check this one. Let's put all those here. Double rejection. Things. Break it. Retest. Go back here. Yeah, even those highs actually. Like if you take the trade stop loss last week low, you know, you didn't get stop out and you take profit. Mostly gonna be here. Yeah, mostly gonna be here. Yeah. Still very solid trade, especially because it's Dow Jones too. King of the gas, king of the hill. Interesting rejection. Doji. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna finish today. If you have questions, leave in the comments, and I'm gonna see you every single one tomorrow. And tomorrow I have at least like 10 questions, and I'm gonna make like all those like little videos, like 5-minute video, 5-minute video, 5-minute video, and I'm gonna make the new playlist questions, and I'm gonna put all those questions there. And thank you every single one, and I'm gonna see you every single one tomorrow. Thank you and ciao.